What I have here today is I've got something by a company called SmartyKat, and this is the Frisky Flyer. And what this is the feather type thing of a wand. So this is an extendable wand here. I will take it out of the package here and show y'all, because if you're like me and you got a little small cat and then they just love to play with things and you want something that you can kind of like whip around and let them chase it. Let me go ahead and take it out of the package here and show y'all exactly what this thing looks like. All right, everybody, there it is. I just took it out of the packages. It was held on the back by two little zip ties right here. You just cut those little zip ties and it comes right out. And this is actually all made out of recycled plastic, every bit of the actual wand here. This wand will extend. It looks like when it's fully extended, it goes up to 24 inches in length, and it's something to encourage the cat to exercise with. I will show y'all using it and show you how he jumps around and how he likes this little thing. So let me go ahead and take it over to Maximo and let him try it out now. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's the Frisky Cat feather wand. Maximo seems to like it.